Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's lecture, we're going to see that how to convert a colorful image, which is an RGB image, to a black and white image, and something more about that. So let's get started. So as usual, first open the MATLAB software. Yeah, and then click here for creating a new script. So as you see, guys, I already created. So let's start our today's session. This is the image which I have taken. So let's see. As you see, guys, this is the image which I have taken. So our main motive is to convert this colorful image to an black and white image. So let's see that. In MATLAB there is a very simple command or inbuilt function which is used to convert a colorful image to an black and white image. So the function is like that. Name R. So the inbuilt function is like im2bw, which means image to black and white. So in this the image name. So as you see, I just given my image name is I. So let's see. You see guys, this is the black and white image of the particular image which I have taken. One thing guys, the gray level image and the black and white level image are basically same in the photographic level. So so basically these two black and white and gray level are used to form 2D image. Black and white converts the whole picture in two colors, black and white. So in gray label also the image converted into black and white, but the all shades are in gray. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I said. So let's see. As I told in my previous video how to find a gray label of an image. If you guys not watch that video, so link in the description, go and watch. Okay. So here I'm going to find the gray label of this image. And this is the black and white command. So now see guys, this is the RGB image which I have taken. So this command for to convert gray label, and this command is for to and this command is for to black and white. As you see, this is the main image which I have taken, the RGB, the color image, and this is the gray image, and this is the black and white. Both are in black and white color, but gray level is all shades are gray.